Hey guys, so I just made this crocheted bucket hat and I saw this lady on Instagram give her crochet work what she called a milk bath, which was just like Mod Podge and water put together, and she had her work sit in it and then dry, and it stiffened her work. So I'm gonna try that on the brim of this hat because it's a little floppy and I want the brim to be a little bit more stiff. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing today, is trying to stiffen the brim of this hat. Let's see if it works. So I had this Mod Podge laying around since like college, but the lid is stuck onto it. So I just cut open the top and we're gonna pour that into a container with some water. Is this Mod Podge still okay? Can I use this? Hope so. So I have a little plastic knife here and I'm just gonna stir that on up. Stir it up, stir it up. All right, so I have some plastic wrap laid down on my desk so that the hat doesn't get stuck to it, and we're just gonna, like, I guess, paint the brim, or, well, I don't have a sponge, so I'm gonna be using some paper towel and I'm going to be dabbing the liquid onto the brim, and hopefully that like gets it to soak in, and that works. All right, so we got our little milk bath situation here and we're just gonna go ahead and get started. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but I have the entire brim of the bucket hat coated in that Mod Podge water mixture. I'm just gonna go ahead and let this dry for however long it needs, and then I will come back and let you guys know if this worked. Guys, so it's about 3 days later and it worked. The brim, you can hear it. The brim is stiff, y'all. It's stiff, but it's not like super stiff, and it didn't change the color at all. That's what I was worried about. I was worried about the Mod Podge changing the color, but it didn't. Now, I don't usually wear bucket hats because of my fro. As you can see, the hair just gets all in my eyes. But guys, oh my God, like I'm literally doing this method of stiffening the brim to every bucket hat I make. Every bucket hat I make, because this right here, this is a game changer. Like, are you kidding me? It's so cute even with my fro. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this super informal tutorial slash let's see if it works video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. And you know what, I'm gonna take a few moments to plug my other social media networks. I have a TikTok, I have an Instagram. I never tell y'all this, I don't know why, but I link them all below in the description bar. So if you want to see me on TikTok or see me anywhere else, please go to the description and, you know, follow me there, interact with me, leave me some comments. I love talking to you guys. So, you know, yeah, thank you for watching per usual, and please use this method on all of your hat brims.